Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study CA Final Paper 6. First, familiarize yourself with the paper's format and the weightage assigned to different topics. This strategic overview helps you prioritize your efforts effectively. Next, carefully select your elective subject, ensuring it aligns with your strengths and future career goals. Finally, start by thoroughly reading the official study material and any relevant professional pronouncements to build a strong foundational understanding. To study effectively, develop concise notes and summaries for each topic. These will be invaluable for quick revisions closer to the exam. Practice extensively by solving past examination papers and mock tests, strictly adhering to time limits. This builds speed and accuracy. Emphasize practical application and case study analysis, as Paper 6 often tests your ability to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Consistent revision is crucial for retaining information. Set up a regular revision schedule and stick to it diligently. Actively identify your weak areas through practice and dedicate focused time to improve them. Don't shy away from discussing complex concepts with your study group or peers. Explaining topics to others often solidifies your own understanding and offers new insights. On exam day, effective time management is paramount. Allocate specific minutes to each question based on its marks to ensure you attempt everything. Present your answers clearly and concisely, always citing relevant provisions where applicable. Remember to check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. A well-structured answer can significantly boost your scores. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.